In this lesson, we're going to be going over events. Events are like advanced conditionals that when an event happens, it will run a function that is for a specific object. So let's make a new object by doing local part equals instance.new part. This creates a new part. Next, part.parent set to game get service workspace. Part.name set to Killbrick because we're going to be making a Killbrick today. Part.position set to vector3.new 0, 5 is this places it in the 0, 5, 0, which is the center, so it's in the spawn location, and move it 5 studs up. And part.anchored set to true. Now let's make our Killbrick look a little more like a Killbrick. So what we're gonna do is part.brick color set to brick color dot new really red, and part.material set to neon. So now when we press play, you should see our Killbrick right here. This is our Killbrick, and if you go to the workspace in the Explorer, you'll see Killbrick. So here's where events come in. .touched, connect, function, bam. Now what this does is whenever the event touched, which happens when the part gets another part, and then touch part. This touch part is just simply the part that our Killbrick. So local humanoid equals touch part.parent find first child, which is a humanoid. A humanoid is an object found in all player characters, so that's how we set the health to 0. So if humanoid, then this simply checks if the humanoid exists. So if the humanoid does exist, then humanoid dot health set to 0. And now if we press play, if we run into the Killbrick, we die. Now something pretty cool. You know how many Roblox games have leaderboards? Well, they're called leaderstats, and they also have to do with events, so let's make some. So first we want to make a variable for the player service by doing game get service players. The players right here, this handles every player in the server. So players dot player added connect function. This simply runs this function whenever the event player added fires, which as the name implies, fires whenever a new player is added. And this function is the player that we add, so I'm just going to set it to added player. Next, local leader stats equals instance.new folder. This creates a new folder value, a folder object. Leader stats.parent set to added player, and then leader stats.name set to leader stats. Please make sure that the spelling is the exact same as it is here, because of the way that Roblox Studio works, it will only accept it if it's spelled this specific way. Next, make any int value. It could be anything you want, so I'll just make it kills. Local kills equals instance.new int value. This is just an object that stores a number. Kills.parent set to leader stats, and kills.name set to whatever you want. I'm gonna put it to kills, and I'm gonna add a skull emoji. And now when we press play, we should see up here kills. And that is everything we need for events. Thank you all for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Comment any questions you have, and I'll see you all next time.